To send money from India to Ireland, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both India and Ireland. There are several options available, including online services such as TransferWise, PayPal, and Remitly, as well as traditional banks and money transfer companies like Western Union. Once you have selected a service, you will need to create an account and provide some basic information, including your name, address, and contact details. You will also need to provide identification, such as a passport or Aadhaar card, to verify your identity. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. It is essential to ensure that the recipient's details are accurate to avoid any delays or errors in the transfer process. After entering the recipient's details, you will need to specify the amount you want to send in the currency you want to send it in. You will also need to review the transfer fees and exchange rates offered by the service, as these can vary significantly. When you are ready to send the money, you will need to pay for the transfer using a payment method accepted by the service, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. The service will then convert your money into euros and transfer it to the recipient's bank account. In Ireland, it is crucial to keep track of the transfer and ensure that it is completed successfully. You can do this by monitoring the transfer status on the service's website or mobile app, and contacting the service's customer support team if you have any issues or concerns. In terms of best practices, it is essential to compare the fees and exchange rates offered by different services to find the best deal. You should also ensure that the service you choose is secure and reputable, and that you are protected against any potential losses or errors. Additionally, you should be aware of any regulations or restrictions that may apply to sending money from India to Ireland, such as limits on the amount you can send or requirements for reporting certain transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can send money from India to Ireland quickly, securely, and efficiently.